Hello, welcome. My name is Danielle Klein, spiritual biz coach on Instagram. I am a sound artist, a sound healing instrument distributor, sound healing trainer, theta healer, and online educator. And today I am asking you and inviting you to join me in this collective intention of sending out the energy of world peace and allowing peace and harmony to enter your life and also to radiate that frequency out into the world. So find a comfortable space to lay down or stay seated, just a comfortable space to close your eyes and tune in to this frequency. And as you close your eyes, coming into stillness, let's collectively take 3 deep breaths together. Take a long, smooth, deep inhale through your nose. Fill and expand the lungs. An open mouth exhale, sigh and release out audible sound as you let go. And take another deep, smooth inhale through the nose. An open mouth exhale, let out an audible sigh of relief, letting go of any and all tension. Let's take one more deep cleansing breath like this. Deep inhale through the nose. Fill and expand the lungs. This time hold the breath at the top of the inhale. Hold and suspend the breath. And then open mouth exhale, sigh and release out. And now allow your natural breath to flow in and out through your nose, softly, gently, smoothly. Relaxing your entire body. Allow yourself to come into this moment. Nothing else to do, nowhere else to be, except tuning in to this frequency of peace and harmony. And begin to visualize a bright light of energy surrounding you. And this bright light of energy can be any color that you wish. And this light is bigger and brighter than the sun, circling you, surrounding you, enveloping you with this beautiful energy of peace, of harmony. And this light penetrates deep down to a cellular level, allowing your mind, your body, your entire being to be infused in peace. And begin to notice where you are calling in the energy of peace into your life. Perhaps peace in your thoughts, peace in your relationships, peace in your community. Begin to visualize that energy of peace coming into your life. And as you are holding this intention of peace and harmony, entering into your heart, into your body, into your life, let us now send out this frequency into the world. Begin to send out this energy of peace, of harmony, of tranquility, spreading it out from your being, from your home, from your neighborhood, from your state, from your country, expanding out into all of the continents, into the world, seeing this orb of light encompassing the world. Light and energy is now in the entire universe. Sending out this vibration and energy. Begin to hold a vision for what peace means to our collective. Seeing communities come together, lending out a helping hand, respecting and honoring each other, sending the vibration of love and acceptance, connecting different backgrounds and different cultures, everyone coming into unity. Feeling this sense of peace and harmony within you, knowing that you can connect to this energy and frequency at any moment, using mindful intention, remembering that your energy flows where your intention goes. Directing your energy, intention, and attention on peace. Peace for yourself, peace for the world. Slowly opening your eyes back into this space. Thank you so much for sending out this frequency with me today.